I love the trip. I had some issues with the Viator app during booking, but the tour company, Expeditions Turísticas, was able to help me without any problems. They answered all my questions and ensured my tour went smoothly. Alejandro, our guide, was fantastic. The sights, food, and transfers were all worth it. I highly recommend it. Well organized, chill atmosphere, very nice. We had good weather thankfully. I was really happy and booked another tour with the agency the next day. Excellent tour, everything was fabulous thanks to our guide Jerry from Marbella Tours. Stunning scenery, it's cold, bring waterproof shoes, a raincoat and a jacket underneath for the cold. Jose was incredible and truly made our day special. Would recommend Jose to anyone. Vehicle is brand new and sparkling clean. It was well organized. The guide spoke English and was telling us a bit about the country, culture and nature. At the different sites he always gave us like a small introduction and then let us walk around on our own. If we had any questions we could ask him when being back at the bus. Along the fascinating volcano and Lankester Botanical Gardens and the beautiful Orosi Valley we also stopped at some nice viewpoints. And the food in the restaurant was delicious. The view was beautiful. It was cold at 6 degrees Celsius. You can buy online. Early morning is a good time to go. You can see the Central Valley. It's indescribable how beautiful it feels up there. It's a place you must visit if you go to Costa Rica. Knowledgeable, informative guide, good organization of time, full day program, enjoyable. Pickup was on time. %100 recommended. Jesus was an excellent guide. The places and food met my expectations. Good value for money. Although it's been a few years since I was there, the experience of seeing a volcano and its surroundings is unique. To get there you have to travel along paths of loose stones, and the landscape is spectacular. You can see the lake that formed inside, a beautiful walk. My wife and I thoroughly enjoyed this experience. Maria was a great tour guide who was very knowledgeable. Even with the clouds, the volcano experience was a cool and unforgettable one. It was a good tour. Really enjoyed seeing the Central Valley. I would give tour 4.5, just wish we had known it would take 1.5 hours from our pickup just to pick up all other tour members. And the last to drop off of course. Tour guide was friendly and knowledgeable especially of the gardens. I'd recommend tour guide be a little more interactive throughout the drive and maybe add more history to driving times. But enjoyed and would recommend but does include a lot of bus time.